Okay. Okay, guys, everyone. Yeah, are you there? Everyone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm there. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So guys, here you have what is it? So to build a transformation logic, we use what is it? Scalar functions internally. Here you need not write any commands here, guys. We need not write any commands. So how to start with this mapping data flows? So for that, just come back, everyone. Just open it. Okay. So guys, to begin with the process, as it is start the data factory. Hmm? Everyone, start with the data factory. And now from the left to blade, click on the create. Okay, now guys, just create here the resource group. So I'm using sample data flows. RG. Click on OK. And then you have what is it? You have to define the instance. So I'm using instance mapping data flows. Click on the review. Click on the create. So it's preparing. So go to resource now. Okay. So launch the studio now. Okay. So guys, from the left to blade, click on the expand tab. And now click on the manage, or directly you can use the author now today. Manage, you know already, the link services creation, everything. Okay. So here guys, just and make sure we should start the pipeline, or else without the pipeline also we can create it, but we cannot run the data flow without the pipeline. Use the data flows. Just click on the new data flow. That's it, guys. And now, so I'm just writing a name for my data flow that is called as a DF sample. DF sample. That's it, guys. And now all this data flows is going to be okay compiled on the Apache Spark cluster. On the Apache Spark cluster. So to start the Apache Spark cluster, click on this. Automatically is going to start. Click on the data flow debug mode. Now it's active, guys. Everyone, data flow debug mode is active. Now click on this add source. Add the source. That's it, guys. And you can rename the same source of data. That's it. Now further to this. Now, these are all the transformations we have it. Use the derived column transformation. Click on the plus symbol. And now, guys, use it here, surrogate key. Pivot. Okay. And finally, just go here. Add the sync system. This is called the data flow. Okay. This is called the data flow. Next. Once this is ready, guys, to run this particular data flow, you can't run this directly. You must and should have one data pipeline. So just go here. Go to the new pipeline. Select the move and transform. Now, guys, till today, we used to have what is it? Copy activity. Am I right? Everyone?
Yes, Samir. Yes.
So now today we are not going to use from today data copy activity. So let us use the data flow. Hmm. Then select the settings. That's it, guys. So just select the settings and DF sample. That's it. Now you have to debug it. Hmm. So all the complexity, whatever we have it, that you can just write it here in the data flow. There is data flow. Okay. And rest of the things are similar, guys. There is no change in it. The only thing is what? we must and should have a pipeline. Without the pipeline, you cannot run the data flow. It is essential. So you whatever you want, you can do it here. Whatever you want, you can do it. That means various transformations we can use it here. Okay. Various transformation we can use it here with the data flows. Okay. Okay. So that's it, guys. And now let us even add some more points on this. Fourth one, data flows are executed using data flow activity. Inside the pipeline. So let's use it. Then data flows are executed or you can say data flows uses Apache Spark cluster for its execution. Okay. So I can say the next one, next point, one more. Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory mapping data flows use Apache, okay, Spark cluster, Apache Spark cluster behind the scene. To perform data processing. Okay, for data processing. And if the guys, if the default setting, if the default settings are used, if the default settings are used, each each data flows, each data flows, each data flows activities. Okay, inside the pipeline. Inside the pipeline, uh, spins up opens up new Spark cluster. Within 1 to 5 minutes. That is called as what? Startup time. That's it. Okay. All of you?
Yes, sir.
And just a minute. I'm just checking. Is there any point? Okay. So that's it, guys. So basically, in broad, I can say what here in broad, what we can say is these are the visually designed transformations. That means we don't write the code here. Everything is written and taken care by the system itself. Simply we can use it. Okay. Simply we can use it here and generate the output. And whenever you wanted to use it, these are compiled and used by the there is nothing but started up by the Apache Spark cluster. So this is the Apache Spark cluster. To start up to use it, just use what is it? Apache Spark cluster. So we must and should start the Apache Spark cluster manually before we make it. And this particular thing, whatever we have it, data flows, it is going to run. It is going to run on what is that? It is going to run with the pipeline. Without the pipeline, it's not going to run compile. So various transformations we can use it here as a part of this one. Okay. So guys, some of the transformations are what derived column is there, surrogate key transformation, pivot is there, and finally you have to add the sync here. So that means the flow, this is the starting of the flow and this is the ending of the flow. Okay, that's it guys. And finally, once it is done, you have to assign this to the pipeline. So for that, I have created the pipeline, and under the pipeline, I have just, uh, from the activity spin or movement transform, what you can do is you can select it here, movement transform, and now you can select the data flow, drag and drop the data flow, go to the settings, and under the settings, select the data flow, whatever you have used it. That's it. And finally, you have to use the debug. Okay, so debug or whatever you want. So once you use it, finally you'll get the output here. Okay. So anyways, guys, the practicals and the case studies on this, we will start it from tomorrow. Okay. I thought of just making it today itself, but like as many of the people due to festival, they are not, I think, attended it. So no problem. We'll just start up tomorrow with the first case study on this mapping data flows, and then we'll move further, guys. Okay. Any other questions? If you have, you can ask me now.
So in the derived column, we can derive multiple columns or only one column, Samir?
Multiple columns.
So is
Multiple
it
columns.
like, yeah, is it like we'll be having a like multiple expression kind of things to
Yes,
derive
multiple
the column?
expression. Yes.
Okay. Input multiple input as well as multiple output.
Yes.
You mean to say? Okay.
Once you derive means it will be automatically created into the system now. So this will be a part of your flow, permanent part of your flow.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it, guys.
Samir, hi. We have not seen tumbling window trigger, right?
Pardon me.
We have not seen tumbling window trigger. We all in the trigger types we only seen the
that will
event
come.
and
That will come in the SCDs. Automatically comes.
okay.
Is SCD stands for slowly changing dimension in this
Yes,
context?
yes.
But I think that's a type of trigger, right?
Run that, we use that.
So we are going to see in upcoming classes, right?
Mhm. Okay. So that's it, guys. So the practicals of this will just begin from tomorrow. Okay. So just amending it. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks. Amit.